All right, you know what it is. It's your boy Colin on the ATOIS clothing brand, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to press t-shirt transfer, are the easiest and the most basic way and the oldest way to put a design on some promo t-shirts. Let's get into it. So right now, you can see we got the shirt set up on the press. We got it set for 300. Right now, say 370. That's the temperature you should have it on, 370 to 375 degrees. But you don't want to go too hot because you don't want to burn the shirt. First thing you need to do is press the shirt. Make sure you got all the wrinkles out. Okay. See got all the wrinkles pressed up out of there. Next thing you want to do is grab your t-shirt placement guide. You can purchase this on Amazon. It's only about $14. And it shows you where to put the logo so it's consistent every time when you put it on the shirt and it's in the right place. It's not crooked or anything. Okay, now let's place our design where we want to put it. You see this right here? It's telling you this is the center of the shirt, so that's kind of where the design should be. And then you can see the heat is kind of making this raise up, so that's why we need our Teflon sheet. This is heat resistant and it won't never get hot. Just make sure you don't get any paint on it. All right, now we about to press this one. We can move this out the way now that we know where the design's supposed to be. Take our Teflon sheet. Since it's folded like that, I wouldn't just lay it straight over there because we don't want it to be crooked. I'm gonna lay it where the fold is at. So that way it stays in place. Next, all we have to do is push it down, 30 seconds flat. You know what I'm saying? 30 seconds. This baby gonna be ready, gonna be fresh. Alrighty. Now you see, this is on there. It's straight. It's not crooked like my shirt. You see how this crooked. But you know, I put that on there without the guard. But this, straight. You know, you gotta let it cool off for a second before you peel it. Let's see. Let's see what it's here for. Voila. Like so. Promo t-shirt ready to go. Kid stamped it, mother. Right, y'all, there you have it. Order done. 7 quick shirts. T-shirt transfers. You know, hit me up if you need any more tips. Follow me on Instagram at ATOIS_ or AV Graphics 513_, and graphics is spelled with an X. And that's on Instagram. Both of them accounts on Instagram. That's it, y'all. Check me out next time.